They're big. They're tasty. They're easy to catch. They're shellcrackers. Twitch. Gotcha. Oh, he's a tuggler. A tuggler. Look at him go. Bigger. They're getting bigger every time. Let's get him up here and get a look at him. Get the fish outermers. There we go. Oh, he's beautiful fish. Look at the colors. He's tripping on something. Oh, the colors, the colors. Look at that beautiful gold coloring on his head. On his head. And I'm getting prettier than that. That's like a piece of pure gold on his head. On his head. Alright. Well, he was a tail walker. There we go. Oh, yeah. Mr. Shellcracker. Where's the fish outer? The inner outer guy. Alright, hey, stop that. Stop that. Hey, mister. I said mellow. There. There he is. Mr. Shellcracker to you. Starting to turn gold on top of his head. His head. Look at that. You see his eye up close. Meow. Meow. Mr. Shellcracker. Is this a good shellcracker hole or what? Well, there's